guys, today we're going to show you how to make a tornado out of slime. I know this looks like a big fat leech, but it isn't.
Dad, do not say that. We're making a video. So that's just what I
He's playing Call of Duty. And if you see a leech, run away from it or just kill it or just like cut it in half.
and eat it until you don't eat it.
Don't eat it because
leeches have blood in their skin.
They drink blood.
So they have blood in their stomach.
No, yeah, and they suck blood because they have two suckers. This is
one in the back and one in the front.
On their legs. So if they crawl up you, they might be drinking your blood if they're standing still like this.
Yep. I made a bracelet that looks like a leech.
Oh my God, a leech is drinking me.
So we have elves on the shelf. But we're not going to show them right now and tell you the names right now. It's a surprise until we're done. At the end, we'll show you them. Right,
we have to give you 10 subscribers if you want to see their name. Okay?
You better, just keep.
Because right now we have 8 and we need 2 more. So please give us 2 more. Tornado. Okay, time to make the big
If you
boy.
have friends with phones, please tell them.
Subscribe to 3D Tornado.
1 like, because we need 2 likes to show what else on the shelf. Don't say that in the video. So
We're gonna show you our elves unto 2 likes on this video, but on 10 subscribers, we're gonna say our elf's name.
And it's called 3D Tornadoes. And this is the first one with me. My brother Miguel has been making some, right?
Yeah,
and this is
with my brother, but this is the first one with her.
Yep, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Tornado should look almost.
Where did you put the drum again?
What drum?
So look,
okay.
You grab a drum and you take the slime. You put it down really hard and it makes a fire sound.
The tornado should look like this, or you can make a factor. I'm trying to make an EF5, but I don't know how to, so I'm just gonna make it might look like an EF4 and EF3, because I don't know how to make EF5. That was fine. Okay. Comment what this looks like to you, like what EF. So here we go. Time to make the actual tornado.
I need a skinny tornado. Look at this. I'm going to show them a tornado. It's going to look like a weird tornado. And skinny. So now I'm going to go with my elf on the shelf.
But if you're a kid, don't touch your elf.
Yeah, only grown-ups ever to emergency. We don't really want to do that. We have to get touched by them. I just heard it.
Oh my God. The tornado.
I'm going to do tornadoes.
Oh my God. Floppy, floppy, floppy. Oh shoot, my tornado. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Please, if you like and subscribed already, tell one of your friends if they have a phone. Please like and subscribe to 3D Tornadoes with me and my brother. With all my black pajamas for pajama day.
Okay,
bye.
I
will show you our elf on the shelf. Bye.
Bye.
Love you. This looks so thin. I'm going to make